we are in Wyoming. We got Toby the Shawshank. Probably one of his favorite places to elk hunt, isn't it?
By far. Going to our home turf.
This is a place we've hunted solid since like 2013. We've killed several bulls out of here and had some great hunts. Are you feeling lucky?
I'm feeling good. Yeah, I'm feeling good. Should be a good week.
So the very first day we ever set foot in this area, we watched a 5-point bull come off that hillside on the back of a horse with a hunter that was pretty happy. I think that was 2012. Now that we've hunted it and did a lot of on foot, we've learned a lot of good areas where the elk hang out and so forth. So we got a great friend, local friend that has horses. He's kind enough to take some of our gear up into a basin, an area that we hunt. We'll hunt up to that basin this afternoon, and then we'll pitch our little spike tents and sleeping bags and that sort of thing, and then we'll hunt from there, and then we go back another 3 miles past that to other basins where we've done a lot of hunting. So we got a dear friend that has he kind of got some bad news after the elk hunt last year, and so he's got a medical condition. It's a bone cancer that thankfully is not putting him out of commission, and he's able to hunt and so forth. And you know, a young guy. Toby's 49, I'm 55, and I think he's 56 and about 57, or he is 57. We've hunted for a long time, haven't we, Toby?
Hey, we don't do an elk hunt without Jim.
So it's pretty meaningful. Jim's killed one elk in his life, and he shot a cow last year, and so we're gonna get after it with him and Toby, and then Jim's brother-in-law Tim is coming to do some filming and to help Jim carry some of his pack and the weight and kind of be there with him for this, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully the bulls are talking and we'll get into them. Good evening! Good evening! How you doing, brother?
Good. How are you doing?
Doing good.
Come on,
Ken.
Ken.
Buddy. Good to see you.
Guys make it down the road safe?
Yeah, we did. How you doing, buddy?
Good. How you doing?
Good to see you. Good to see you as well, man. It's good to be in Wyoming. This is the big boy. What's the name of this one?
This is Lacey.
How you doing, buddy?
No pressure, Jim. Yeah.
Now, the bow's shooting right. No excuses. If there's an opportunity and no deflection, it should be good for us. Right there, we got 2 Cordova coolers, one in the back of the rig and one right here. And our goal is to fill it up. Can I get an amen, Jim?
Amen. Shower. What do you want a shower for?
Now we got Senko, you don't need one.
Misty then, well. Here, I get him right there again.
All right, we ready for the hill?
Let's go.
Boom, boom. All right, we're underway. Just up from the trailhead, and we got 4 miles. It's pretty much all uphill. Not super steep, but that's what we're gonna do. We're supposed to have 4 days of good weather and then some snow and nastiness comes in. Definitely going in with beautiful weather. Well, we're getting close to where we're gonna camp tonight. We got afternoon shadows coming. It's about time for the elk to get on their feet. Hopefully we hear some buglers. We know there's a couple hunters in the area, so we gotta be mindful of that. Feeling pretty good. Definitely cooling off. Made it to our gear spike camp for tonight. We're gonna work our way right back here to the east. Really good kind of corridor for elk last year. Jim got a shot the first night. We're gonna see if we can replay it and see if he can hit what he's aiming at this year. Beautiful night, nice and quiet. So we just kind of took our time. We bumped into one hunter. He's got two buddies out here with him. He said he saw a nice bull last night. They've been bugling at night. Then we'll work our way to the south and get out of their hair. Give them all the room they need. We got a nice little spot to spend the next hour. See if we can call it an elk. All right, day one is complete. We are in our tents. Boy, it is quiet. The stars are out. We're not hearing any elk music. We saw the spike and the cow from across the drainage about 750 yards away. Surprising if we don't hear some bugling tonight while we're in the tents. So, a good night to all.